Hello and welcome, this is Jit Dolakia and you're watching It's Tomorrow News. Strong blustery winds, squally thunderstorm and downpours are set to hammer central New Zealand and the upper North Island including Auckland. A strong wind warning has been put in place for Auckland including Great Barrier Island, Marlborough Sounds and Wellington, with the southerly gales in the capital this afternoon expected to reach 120 km per hour. While flights remain unaffected, Air New Zealand was expecting weather conditions to deteriorate and cause delays and cancellations as the day progressed. A tornado caused chaos in the far north, ripping roofs from buildings and flipping a caravan. Later on Wednesday, strong cold southerly winds are in forecast to spread north across central and northern New Zealand, with heavy snow possible above 500 meters for eastern Marlborough. Thunderstorm, heavy rain and gale affecting much of the North Island and Upper South Island on Wednesday are the results of low pressure system heading onto the country from the Tasman Sea. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Jit Dolakia. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.